What if I told you there are places on Earth so breathtaking they look like scenes from another planet? From glowing waves to rainbow mountains, these 10 destinations will blow your mind and might just change the way you see the world. Let's explore. Number 1. Moraine Lake in Alberta, Canada. Tucked in the valley of the 10 Peaks, Moraine Lake is famous for its electric blue waters, surrounded by towering snow-capped mountains. The surreal color? It comes from glacial rock flour reflecting sunlight, nature's real-life Photoshop. Number 2. Antelope Canyon in Arizona, USA. Walk into Antelope Canyon and you're stepping into a dream. Its smooth, swirling sandstone walls dance with beams of sunlight. This natural slot canyon was carved over millions of years by nothing but water and wind. Number 3. Hallstatt in Austria. A fairy tale village on the edge of a mirror-like lake. Hallstatt looks like a painting. But here's the crazy part. It's so beautiful, China built a full-scale replica of it. Yes, the whole village. Number 4. Zhangye Danxia Rainbow Mountains in China. Imagine a mountain range painted in bright reds, oranges, and yellows. That's Zhangye Danxia. The colors? All natural, the result of millions of years of layered sandstone and minerals. Number 5. Mount Roraima in Venezuela, Brazil, Guyana. This flat-topped, floating mountain inspired Up and The Lost World. It sits above the clouds with waterfalls plunging off its cliffs, and many plant species here exist nowhere else on Earth. Number 6. Santorini in Greece. Iconic white houses, blue domes, and golden sunsets. But Santorini was born from a volcanic explosion 3,600 years ago, one of the biggest in recorded history. That's ancient beauty with explosive origins. Number 7. Ban Giac Waterfall in Vietnam-China border. One of Asia's largest and most scenic waterfalls, Ban Giac spans 2 countries. During the rainy season, its thunderous multi-tiered cascades look like something out of a fantasy novel. Number 8. Lake Bled in Slovenia. A church on an island in the middle of a glowing emerald lake, Lake Bled is straight out of a postcard. And here's the magic. Locals believe if you ring the bell in the church, your wish comes true. Number 9. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Welcome to Earth's largest salt flat and nature's biggest mirror. After rain, Salar de Uyuni reflects the sky so perfectly, it looks like you're walking on clouds. NASA even uses it to calibrate satellites. Number 10. Aït Benhaddou in Morocco. A 1,000-year-old desert fortress made of clay. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has starred in Game of Thrones, Gladiator, and The Mummy. It's not a movie set, it's a real village. The world is filled with wonders, and these were just 10 of them. So, which one made it to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments. And if you're hungry for more beauty, mystery, and hidden gems, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. This is Explore Ara, and we're just getting started.